Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to create email button in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, you have to go Developer tab and click the drop down menu of Legacy tool and click the command button. Now go to the properties and change the name, give the button name, now double click on the button, paste the code and save the code and close the Microsoft Visual Basic application, close the design mode and click the email button. Now check your document is attached automatically. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.